Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this question. It reads that if P is a set containing X such that 1 is less than or equals to X and X is less than or equals to 6, and Q is a set containing X such that X is such that 2 is less than X and X is less than 9, where X are real numbers, find P intersection Q. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get every of my videos in physics and mathematics. Alright, let's get started. First of all, what we just need to do is to list out the elements in P and in Q. Now for P, now X are elements, so that 1 is less than X and X is less than 6. So what does this imply? It implies that the elements start from 1 and end at 6. Okay, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the elements contained in P. So let us sort out the ones in Q. Now 2 here is less than X, which implies that X now should start from 3. So since 2 is less than X, and X also is less than 9, so which means you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. We'll be stopping at 8 because the values of X is less than 9. So P intersection Q, what does this imply? It implies that what are the elements that you can see in Q and in P and in Q. So here we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and we have 6. So this is the answer to the question. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.